Good afternoon, everybody. I am so thrilled to be able to give you this update and announcement. Most of you know this morning around 2 a.m., I was able to get on a leadership call for the relaunching of Daisy AI and Endotech. And so I am thrilled to finally have some dates, but just a little bit, I want to give you a background just to let you know what happened. Back on January the 10th, they did a beta launch and it lasted only 4 days. And in that time, they were able to raise $50 million and there was over 53,000 people who were able to join this innovative new platform that really literally broke all the records in the fintech space. And so I'm thrilled to death because this particular company has several different components that you need to know about. One, smart contracts, which we'll get into that in another video. Two, there's an equity component, which means anybody that gets into this project, you're going to be a stock owner. And three, Endotech is artificial intelligence, and any projects that they get into from now on, we'll be able to reap the rewards of that. And four, there's a crowdfund component. So they are crowdfunding this project. And one of the exciting things is they expect, because they broke all those records just in 4 days and they took the company offline and they worked on their infrastructure. So they're getting ready to relaunch. And all the indications are that they would be able to hit that unicorn status, which means $1 billion in record time. They've got their platform set up and their timeline where they have plans to go public in 2022. And for those early adopters, those of us who get in on this pre-launch, on this relaunch, if you will, nothing but tons and tons of opportunity. Obviously, you can't say there's no risk involved. There's always risk when you get involved with these businesses, but our co-op that's one of the things that we've done is we come together as a group and we launch these small business development projects, and everybody gets to reap the rewards of doing so. Everybody pitches in a few bucks. So anyways, I'm excited about that. And so they gave us an update on where they were in the process. So after they did that beta launch, they went and had to redo their infrastructure. They did testing, and then they had to do a third-party audit phase to make sure all systems were goal. The last process is the migration. And what I'd like to do right quick is just to share my screen with you and show you what that looks like. At that time on January the 10th, there was 52,566 people that were able to join the platform. And down through the tiers, as they evolved, and there's a couple of different steps, depending on how much money you have to get into the crowd fund, this is what they're having to do. They're having to go through this and get all of this into the new smart contracts, and that takes time. So what they're looking at now, they gave us some good dates. We didn't know, we was thinking it would be today or Monday, but they need about another week to get all of this process done. So we're looking at March 19th is the best case scenario, if not a little bit sooner, or March 22nd, which is a few days later than that. So that gives us all time to get prepared. There's some new things that you need to know, and we want to get our teams ready to go. Anybody who wants to get involved with not just the co-op, but you might be thinking about you want to do this yourself. Let's see here. And so one of the things that you need to know is they are going to be using the TRX, and that's going to pay the gas fees, which means the expenses associated with the crypto to get involved. And number two, the Tron USDT. So right now, if those of you have been sitting on the fence and needing to, wanting to get involved, you need to go ahead and get your wallets. They're free apps, and I'll put in the comments down below which app is going to work with this particular Daisy smart contracts seamlessly. So that's the one you need to use, but you need to get yourself set up and have your TRX in your wallet, as well as your USDT. And I'll talk a little bit about that later on in an upcoming video. But anyway, that's what you need to do to get prepared. This takes sometimes a day or two to get all of the things in line, like your driver's license, documented and all of that stuff. So you can't wait till the last minute. So if you want to get in and get in on that day one, this is the time that you need to do that. So that's pre-launch mode. One of the things that I thought was really interesting that one of the leaders was talking about was, there's some people that wait until these businesses launch. Okay, nothing wrong with that. Going to wait, try and see how it turns out. Number two, the other people, they really get excited. They want to set themselves up, and so they start preparing the fire before the match is lit. Okay, you're getting all your ducks in a row and you figure out all of this stuff. And then there's a third group of people that you want to put fuel on the fire. So you want to be ready, do everything that second group did, but man, you're getting everybody hyped up, ready to go. You're training your people so that they're ready. As soon as that match is lit, we are going to fire off like a rocket ship. That's where I want to be. I was very sad that I did not get in on that 4-day launch, because there is a ton of benefits that's associated with that. Okay. However, that's okay, because we're going to be there as a co-op on day one of this relaunch. Now, the minimum requirement to get in on this is $100, and then each level up, it doubles. So it goes from 100 to 200 to 400 to 800. So depending on how much money we have available in the co-op, that's going to determine what level we're going to be able to go in at. The other thing that I learned that I just might have missed the first time around, but this is very exciting. I'm going to share my screen again, because a lot of these businesses that I shared with you that I'm trying to tell you about has two components. And with that is a direct sales as well as just a passive income. Well, I can't get into that. And this is very powerful. It's called a pace setter bonus. And also there's a leadership bonus. So should we decide that we really like this and we want to refer people to join Daisy as well, if we were to refer 24 people and they got in, and total funded by all these referrals is at least $128,000, this is, look at this, get profit sharing in 1.8% of all global contributions. This is a crowdfunding platform that they're using to fund this business. So we would get 1.8% of all the contributions that come in from all over the world if we set this up correctly, 1.25% of all the global trading profits. Endotech is artificial intelligence, and they're out here trading and testing their model. And so there's profits and as well as losses, with it goes along with this trading, but we're going to get to benefit from all of that no matter what level we come in. But should we become a pace setter, we're going to get 1.25% of all the global trading profits and a piece of the 5% equity share of Endotech stock. So when they go public or anything else that they get involved in as this first initial group, man, there is going to be some amazing, just amazing benefits associated with that. But again, we're interested in, I talked to you about previously, we're looking for companies that are in pre-launch mode, soft launch, relaunch. Usually there's a little bit higher risk, but there's also the potential for higher rewards. So if any of you know of any other companies out there that you'd like for us to take a look at and possibly get involved with, by all means, send me a message. But this one, I am really just absolutely thrilled, simply because it is a market disruptor. Now, the other thing that I want to share right quick, some of you have already seen this, some of you have not. So I want to share. Let's see here. Get rid of this off of here. Sorry for the mess. I'm going to show you this short little clip to see if you're as excited as I am about the potential involved in Daisy. Here we go. This is a really cool trailer and explainer, probably one of the best ones that I've ever seen. And we're going to go all the way to the end, and there may be some commercials or something that we have to get out of there, but I'll try and fast forward through those as best I can. While we're waiting on this thing to buffer, let me take a look and see if anybody's out there. If you have any questions. Again, the minimum amount is $100 to get in, and then it just doubles all the way up to a much higher level. And there's, several different ways that you get paid. And again, we're looking at passive income versus active income. And there is a direct sales component for, referring people and helping them build their infrastructure and getting their crowdfunding campaign so that they can move into the next level and the next phase. So anyways, not that you have to do that. Plus there's some spillover, but I'm more interested in this artificial intelligence and the passive income component. So here we go.
Crowdfunding has proven to be one of the most innovative ways for visionary people to participate in the evolution of disruptive technologies, while at the same time reaping the financial rewards as an early adopter. Technology has also proven to be the key to disrupting entire industries, like Uber disrupted taxis, Netflix disrupted Blockbuster, and Amazon and Alibaba disrupted the entire retail consumer marketplace. Today, we're going to introduce you to a financial technology platform that is disrupting traditional trading and investing, and a crowdfunding model that is disrupting the peer-to-peer economy. Introducing Daisy Global, a revolutionary smart contract on the blockchain that allows you to immediately participate in automated profit rewards from major financial markets, own stock equity in emerging financial technology companies, and earn instant and reoccurring income, all from a decentralized app on your phone, and all for as little as a $100 contribution to the crowdfund. Profits, equity, income. Welcome.
Benvingut. Donc, d'avrò pas
Welcome to Daisy. Daisy is a smart contract, not a company, and that is one of its most powerful strengths. As a smart contract, the integrity of the crowdfund model and all of its rewards and promises are guaranteed and cannot be compromised by any company or individual. Daisy is a decentralized application that is equally available to everyone. No one owns it, no one controls it, no one can change it. Daisy lives forever on the blockchain with complete transparency and trust. And it is a gift to the world. The genius of Daisy is that everyone wins. While most people agree that Daisy is the most powerful referral plan ever imagined, the real power of this model is in the profits that are rewarded to every member equally, even if you never refer a single person. When you contribute to the crowdfund for as little as $100, you immediately begin to reap the financial rewards of the trading technology behind Daisy. The name Daisy, which stands for Decentralized AI System, is the next generation of high-powered, high-performance artificial superintelligence trading technology that is being developed by Dr. Anna Becker, the founder and CEO of fintech company Endotech. As an experienced executive and change agent in retail finance, Dr. Becker has worked with more than 300 brokers and has served as the compliance officer with regulators like the NFA and CFTC. She holds a Master's of Science degree in Computer Science and a doctorate degree in AI from the prestigious Technion University. She is also an author of several books on artificial intelligence and has deep experience in algorithmic investment solutions. Because of her deep experience in the area of legal compliance, Dr. Anna has been appointed by the Financial Commission's Dispute Resolution Committee. For the last 20 years, Dr. Anna and her team of AI scientists at Endotech have launched high-powered AI trading platforms that are being used by financial institutions and elite investment funds around the world, with documented long-term results, a fully transparent track record of highly profitable trading, and with proven success in every market condition. Daisy, however, is by far the most advanced AI trading project that Dr. Anna has ever imagined and will produce the highest returns in Endotech's history. When fully completed by the fourth quarter of 2021, Daisy is expected to multiply the current trading performance by 400%. That's 4 times the already proven results. Imagine what that'll do for your profits, your equity, and your income. When you become a contributor to the Daisy Project with a crowdfund contribution of $100 or more, 50% of your entry package is immediately deposited by the smart contract into Daisy Fund and used in live trading for the development and enhancement of Daisy AI. To fully test and develop the platform, the target amount for the live trading is $500 million. There are a total of 10 contribution levels that you can progress through, with the price doubling for each. For contribution levels 8, 9, and 10, 70% is placed into live trading, giving you an even higher profit reward. Every crowdfund contributor will get the exclusive benefit of Daisy's trading profits and performance. Trading begins immediately, and 70% of all profits generated are equally rewarded to each member. 15% of the trading profits are rewarded back to the entire Daisy community, and 15% of the trading profits are used for the Daisy development team. Upon the completion of development, each contributor will also have the option of continuing to benefit from the trading platform or choose to receive the trading portion of your crowdfund contribution back as an additional reward. Because Dr. Anna Becker's AI trading technology is the first project that Daisy members are crowdfunding, we want you to hear for yourself what she has to say about trading technology, the Daisy Project, and the future of Daisy AI. Until now, this category of high-performing AI technology has not been available to the masses. But thanks to Daisy and this one-of-a-kind crowdfunding model, anyone in the world can contribute as little as $100 and start receiving their equal reward of the financial profits, equity, and income. When you become a crowdfund contributor, not only do you receive your passive trading rewards, but you will also get shares of stock equity in Endotech before it goes public. And you can earn instant income from our referral plan even if you never refer a single person. Passive profits, stock equity, and instant income. All 3 rewards for as little as $100. Using the power of smart contracts, Daisy Global has launched a one-of-a-kind referral plan, paid instantly in real time. The Daisy referral plan has absolutely changed the game. That's a guarantee. With automatic spillover, infinity bonuses, check matching bonuses, residual team trading bonuses, and even stock equity and revenue share bonuses for leaders. And the best part is the future. The top position of the referral plan is used to support breakthrough technology companies and projects that bring profits, equity, and income into the community. Endotech's decentralized AI system is the first of many companies and projects that Daisy will fund, which also means the opportunity for equity in Endotech is available for a limited time. Once the $10 million for Endotech is reached from the referral plan, the equity offer for contributors will be completed. Once the testing benchmark of $500 million is reached in the live trading accounts and the Daisy AI system is completed, Phase 1 of the crowdfunding opportunity will close, and we will announce Phase 2. To learn more about the Daisy referral plan, watch the next video. But remember, timing is a big advantage. So don't wait. Take action. Get started today with Daisy for only $100 and begin your crowdfunding journey with this amazing community. You will be very glad that you did.
Daisy sequence initiated. Activating Daisy referral system. Endotech systems active. Daisy fund activating. Uploading Daisy smart contract to the blockchain. Daisy AI initiating. Artificial superintelligence systems appear to be functional and active. All systems ready for Daisy launch. Daisy A1 rocket. Ready to launch in T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Daisy A1 has liftoff. Activating Daisy Global Network. Daisy Global Network online. All systems active.
Pretty cool, huh? Okay. So I want to clear up a few things. Deanna, I saw your message pop up on my Facebook while we was doing our Facebook Live. Just to be clear, if you are already a co-op member and you've already paid your dues for the quarter, or you want to add to that, you are already part of this project. Anybody that's a member, any of these projects that we do, you're a part of this. However, some of you may want to do it outside the co-op individually, and that is what I was talking about. If you want to do that, the minimum requirement to get in for the crowdfunding campaign is $100. You'll need a little bit extra to pay those gas fees, which is the expenses associated with buying the crypto and all of that stuff. So if that is something that you want to do, that's what I'm talking about right there. Some of you have asked if you can add to your current account, your co-op account. Yes, you can. You can do that in increments of $10. I now have a new website set up that's going to handle all of that for our percentages. So as you add more tuition dollars in the form of dues, together we can track all that and know how much you have contributed as a percentage to the whole, meaning how much the whole co-op has contributed to the kitty. And so as long as the cash is coming in, we will continue to fund these projects. And so if you're a member, you will get a piece of the action every time one of these projects generates $1. 85% of that will be distributed back to the co-op members at the end of each quarter. And we have a meeting once a month to discuss. And then depending on the project, I may be giving daily updates or monthly updates or whatever, but this is a huge opportunity here. And, you know, of course, there's no guarantees. Like I always say, no risk, no reward. Obviously, nobody can guarantee any income, but this one really looks like it's well done, has lots of potential. I love the fact that, you know, it's disruptive. Several industries, the crowdfunding industry, the fintech industry. You know, you're talking blockchain, you're talking they're a research company. So the more things that they get their fingers in, we're going to be able to benefit from that as well. Love the fact that it's going to mean that we'll have stock options, which means we'll be part owners of that company. So anyways, just wanted to give you that update. Again, this is the next one that we have coming up, the DAISY AI. And for those of you who might not have caught what that stood for, D is for decentralized, which means nobody has control over it. The AI is artificial intelligence, and the SY is for systems. So if you have not joined our co-op, this is a really great opportunity for you to get your feet wet and learn about business development. This quarter, we happen to be talking about fintech companies, cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, the artificial intelligence, foreign exchange. You don't have to know anything about any of these. We are all learning. But by coming together as a group, you know, 2 heads are better than 1, 100 heads are better than 10. So anyways, we're all excited because we can minimize our expenses by working together as a team, as well as minimize our risk. The cost to join our co-op is $65 a year. And then there is a minimum tuition requirement of dues of $30 every 90 days. So that's basically $10 a month. And most people probably spend more than that on their soda pops or junk every week or every day. So anyways, we wanted to make it affordable worldwide. Anybody worldwide can join our co-op. There's no restrictions on that, no credit, no income, no experience, any of that stuff. There's no fine print or anything like that. It is what it is. Ever how much money we have in the kitty, people send us business ideas for us to vet, to look at. We're going to win some, we're going to lose some. And as long as we win more than we lose, I think we're going to be doing really great. And I don't know of any other training program or academy that offers you the opportunity to have tuition reimbursement, right? The goal is to make money. So we want to be making more money than what we're putting out for these projects. So anyways, if this is you, you can join our co-op by going to meetmyreferralpartners.com/join. Also on there, there's a tab for co-op information. If you want to learn a little bit more about how we operate and how the percentages will work and all of that, you can also see that on our website. So I hope you all have a fabulous weekend. It looks like it's going to be beautiful here in Northwest Florida. It is in the 70s today. Sun is shining. So I'm going to work in the yard and plant some flowers and go buy some new flowers, I think. So I'll talk to y'all soon.